but in terms of bang for your buck, these guys are very affordable. I actually got into 3D printing because my brother pointed out that there was a deal, I don't know, it was deal of the week or deal of the day on one of these websites with I think it was 180 euros for one of these. And that's actually since then the actual regular retail price has dropped to around that price now. So you can get one of these for 180. And I mean, this I think speaks for itself. This is if you know Star Trek, this ship is quite recognizable. And I built the model for this myself, so I was very exacting in my attention to detail on it, and I am super pleased with how that came out. Even with those visible layer lines, it just looks great.
Looks really cool.
And it's super solid. Like I can hold it by the front end here, which is actually a piece that slots in. Nice. That I designed to slot in, and there's no worries about that. So you don't. I mean, you can rely on this material for strength to a certain degree. You know, it's not going to make a hammer, but you can. I have used it to print pieces that take mechanical stress inside, like a hair clippers. There's a tiny little sprocket that had broken in the hair clippers. I printed a piece, put it in there, right in the middle of all of the gears and bits and pieces, and the thing works like new now. I've printed quite a number of pieces that take mechanical stress to fix stuff for like people running industrial kitchens and stuff like that. They have a piece that if they have to replace it, they need to buy like a 5,000 euro appliance just to get, because they won't source the part. So if I can reprint the part, then they've saved that money. So I've done that a few times, and that's great. Those are commissions that I've taken as well. So like I am making a little bit of money out of this.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the full version, go to the Uncle Gold Podcast YouTube channel or watch the next clip.